Hello and welcome. This is Cara, and today I wanted to do a flip through of my Song of Winter journal. It's all done. So let's take a look. I still really love this metal charm on the front cover with the Tim Holtz safety pin. And here's the back. And I just did a simple lace closure for this one. And then again, these two tags that are tucked in right here. And my little bit of sewing on the cover. And here is part of the kit. And then I did some collaging, and then I added lace. Here's one of the pockets we did in a previous video. And I just added a couple tucks, a couple tags to the tuck, I should say. And then here is one of the mixed media journaling cards, and I just put a paper clip. Here's one of the cut aparts from the kit, and I just added it at the top. Here's the envelope from the kit and a small tag. Another page. This one would be great to document fun January memories, maybe playing in the snow, or just even writing in the journal would be good. Here's some tags and some owl papers. Another mixed media card that we made, and I put it here as the tuck spot, or a place to put the tags. Some more collage of the fabric here. Another page from the kit, one of the borders. Here is some washi tape and a small collage at the top. More lace. Here is some owl washi and then this owl sticker. Here, instead of making a dangle, I used the owls here as the center signature middle. And I just love this page with the kids building and playing with or having a snowball fight. Here is another tag, and I added some tickets and tags along with the journaling card. Here's one of the stickers. Another little collage, more ribbon. Here's another tuck spot with some tags. And some collaging and some more pieces from the kit, as well as other ephemera. And some more collage. Another owl. Here's just a piece from the kit. I added some snowflake stickers. Another envelope. This one I didn't attach to the book, so this one can be removed. And then there's some ephemera inside. So this could go anywhere in the book. Here's another tag, like the front cover, with some collaging. Another tag from the kit, some more ephemera, and another journaling card. And some more ribbon, collage, tag, and that's the end of the book. And don't you just love the Tim Holtz fabric? I just love it. So this book is going to be listed in my Etsy shop if you are interested. Well, thanks for coming along with me as I crafted and made this journal. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe, like this video, and maybe even share with your friends. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.